scalp. Hi guys, hello, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dora, your natural hair coach, and as usual I give you tips on how to grow healthy fuzzy hair, fobby hair. It really does not matter as long as you have hair on your head. Now today's video is going to be a DIY. I like to do things by myself. I like to explore, to experiment new things for my hair. So today we are going to be talking about aloe vera. Now this is my hair. This is my hair. And guys, one of the things about aloe vera is so good for hair growth. Aloe vera will help you to keep your scalp healthy. And remember, when your scalp is healthy, that also means that your hair is going to grow out of your skin. So a healthy scalp equals to hair growth, and hair growth equals to good hair. Thick hair with volume, just like what I have. And also the other thing is aloe vera does not only keep your scalp healthy, it also promotes hair growth. And remember, aloe vera is natural. You can actually use it for many things. For your skin, you can even drink it. But today's video, we are only narrowing the use of aloe vera to hair. So one, how does aloe vera help you? Aloe vera is soothing to your scalp, guys. When you use aloe vera on your scalp, the feeling is so good. It is so good. I will demonstrate that for you during the video. And then one thing, do you have itchy scalp? Does your scalp itch you? Do you have flakes? I bet you try aloe vera, you will never have any itch anymore on your scalp. And I for one use aloe vera and I never have my scalp itching at any one time. And then number 3 is that aloe vera is going to condition your hair. We all know that most people who use aloe vera 1 to condition your hair. Conditioning hair is so important. If you want healthy hair, if you want hair growth, definitely you have to condition your hair. And one of the things that people use is aloe vera to condition their hair. And then the other thing is that aloe vera is going to repair and it's also going to strengthen your hair strands. So guys, after hearing all these benefits of aloe vera, what do you say? So come with me. I'm going to show you how I make my DIY aloe vera mixture to spray on my hair. Not only my hair, but my scalp. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so this is my aloe vera. You can see it looks very beautiful, succulent, it's healthy, and you can buy this from supermarkets, or you could even order this from Amazon. But I'm lucky, I just go to my backyard and then harvest this beautiful aloe vera. I love it. I drink it, good for my skin. And those of you who have kids, children, for falls, every time children fall, they get bruises. Clean up the wound, apply some bit of aloe vera gel, and you're good to go. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. So here's my aloe vera. So what do you need to do? Begin by washing. Make sure your aloe vera is clean, and then start by cutting off. These are the sharp edges of aloe vera. You could call them thorns. Okay, you cut this off, and then you now begin to cut your aloe vera into smaller cubes, just like this, guys. So how are we doing, guys? Are you doing okay? I hope you're all doing okay. And one of the things about hair growth, so if you want to keep your hair healthy, you must know how to look after your hair. So guys, after cutting them into small cubes, you see this is what I'm going to do. I'm now slicing in a small bit of here so that I can have this. Look at this. See how juicy, you know? This looks so juicy, guys. Now I'm going to slice this, okay? So we have this. And this is what we use for our hair, guys. Just see how beautiful it looks. And guys, I don't usually waste my aloe vera. What is left here, guys, even while I'm still working on it, I usually go onto my scalp and just rub it. Remember I told you about the soothing effect of aloe vera? My God, it is so soothing. I just love it. Okay, so let's proceed. Now I'm going to get this the same way. This is how you extract the gel, guys. This is how you extract your aloe vera gel. Okay, so don't throw this part away. You can use it on your skin, you can use it on your scalp, just like how I demonstrated for you. It is so soothing, guys, so soothing. And many times when you're preparing for wash day, you may as well just decide to apply just the aloe vera gel the way it is. This is what I do when I'm going for wash day. You see how it is when I'm preparing my hair for wash day. I simply apply this gel the way it is. I'll show you how I put it still on my scalp, like this. Like this. You see? Just on your scalp. And the thing is, you want to keep the gooey gel, this slippery part is very good, and then you massage it into your scalp, and then you prepare for your wash day. But remember, we are making aloe vera spray for hair growth, or aloe vera spray for a healthy scalp. And we all know that when you have a healthy scalp, then you're going to have maximum, or you're going to experience hair growth. And not only hair growth, but also your hair is gonna be healthy. So when we talk about hair, sometimes focus more on the health of your hair, not the length of your hair. I really care more about the health of my hair, because definitely if your hair is healthy, then obviously your hair is gonna grow. So guys, so we are done with extracting the gel. Look at this, see how beautiful it looks. So our next step, we are going to pop this into a blender, blend this into, so here's our blender, guys. So I've popped this, put this in our blender, and now I'm going to blend it. I'm gonna blend it. If you don't want, if you're using it for just if you want to keep the gluey part on, then you just blend for a very short while so that you keep the gooey part on. But I'm really interested in making like a liquid. Okay guys, so we are done with blending this. Now when you're using aloe vera on your hair, remember you don't want the white particles remaining in your hair. And sweetheart, trust me, if you just use this the way it is on your hair, washing it out will be a problem. So use a sieve it out, guys. So this is what I'm going to do exactly. I'm sieving this. You see, this is how I extract my aloe vera juice. Okay, so you can either leave it to sieve by itself, but now for purposes of the video, I'm going to use a spoon. I'm going to use a spoon to fasten the process. So you see we have, look at that liquid, guys. It just looks so good. Looks so good. But better if you just let it stand and it just drains by itself. You get the best. But for purposes of this video, we are going to try and quicken it so that you see what it looks like. Okay guys, so we are done. So this is our gel. This is our liquid really. You see this is now, it's not even, you don't see that slimy. So now this is what I use, guys. So what I usually do, you can just use it the way it is, but I usually like to add in some essential oils. Now one of my favorite essential oils is garlic. I use garlic. We all know that garlic is good for many things. Actually, what you can eat is also good for your hair. So garlic also is good for promoting hair growth, and it also stimulates hair growth, and it's also good for your scalp. So what I do, I just drop a few drops of garlic really into mine, like that, just a few drops, just a few drops. And when I'm done with that, I get my bottle, just like this. Now I'm putting this oil, this aloe vera mix, into my spray bottle. And guys, this is our ready aloe vera oil. Now how do you use this? Now I'm going to show you how I use it and how I spray it on my hair. Keep watching. Now this is our aloe vera juice or aloe vera liquid. I call it juice because I mean if we drink juice, I mean we love juice, and our hair loves the juice. It loves aloe vera juice. Our scalp simply loves aloe vera. So this is what I do, and as usual I'm now going to demonstrate to you how I use it. So I get the aloe vera and just spray it. I usually start with my scalp, guys, and just spray it on your scalp. Spray it on your scalp just like this. You see, like that, and then rub it in. And if you feel like you need to, so what I usually do is I also get it on my hair. Okay, now this hair has been, I usually like to make my hair in chunky twists. So this is my hair right now, and it's always good to try and detangle your hair, and you spread the aloe vera juice on your hair. So this is what I'm doing. And for starters, you may start by first mixing your aloe vera with some proportion of water or equal parts of water, because you need to study your hair. Some people, the hair reacts like it hardens, or aloe vera actually has, for some people it dries the hair. So when I'm done with this, okay, after spraying my aloe vera, remember I put it on my scalp, I've sprayed it, and you have to come with your oil. Okay, now this is my shea butter, and remember to avoid the drying effect of aloe vera, you take oil and then apply this oil. Remember, this oil is supposed to seal in the moisture, and we have something. Now my hair has been this way for almost a week, but you can see the ease at which the hair separates so fast. And then you put it back, So this is my hair. Do hair length, guys. Here it is. This is where the hair reaches. Then you tie it back. But I like to make chunky. I always want to leave my scalp free. Then you put your twist back. Put it back into twist, just like so. And remember, I've always told you the ends of your hair. These are the elders of our hair. Be generous. Give them some TLC. A little bit of butter wouldn't be bad for the ends of your hair. Alright guys, so this is basically how I apply aloe vera on my hair. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. My subscribers, as usual, you know how we do it. A big virtual hug to you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for moving with me. Thank you for growing with me. I really appreciate just the fact that you spend your time watching my videos. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. I give you a big virtual hug too. And I'd like to thank you for taking time to even click on my video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know how do you make your aloe vera juice for hair growth. Or just tell me, how do you look after your hair? What is your hair routine like? So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.